Hello friends, so in this video, I will be telling you how to outline or highlight yourself in thumbnails like this. So for this we will be requiring two applications, PicsArt and Pixellab. PicsArt for removing background and Pixellab for adding a stroke. So you can download both applications from Play Store. I will give the links in description down below. So first of all you have to open PicsArt. Then you have to click on the plus icon down below. Then you have to click on edit a photo. Then you have to choose the photo you want to edit. So let me choose this one. So now you have to click on cutout and select your figure, or you could just click on select and then select person. So now our figure has been selected. Let us preview it. As you can see, it is not as crisp as it should be, so you have to do a bit of restoring and erasing. You can also zoom in and out for better precision. So I am fast forwarding this video. So after you are done, you have to click on save and then save it to gallery. After this you have to open the other application, Pixellab, and then you have to delete this text. Then you have to click on transparent. So you have to click on import and then import the image. Then click on this tick mark. Let me place it right here. Now you have to make sure your image is selected. Then you have to click on stroke and then enable it. You can select the color of the stroke. So let me select red. You can also increase the stroke width. So let me do it 10 and then click on tick. Now you have to click on save and then save as image. Make sure the format is PNG. So now click on save to gallery. So now our image has been saved. So this is the image. It will be saved in a Pixellab folder. So you can use this in your thumbnails. So this is it for today. If this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon for getting updates on my latest videos.